PG thing. Hi guys.
It's mad.
Fuck your PG.
Oh!
Okay, joking. Don't screw it. But Andrea, you're rude, and I want everyone of your subscribers to know.
How am I rude?
Because you're rude. You shouted at me.
They've been arguing since, guys.
Anyway, it's park day today.
I don't argue with the help.
I'm not gonna show your face for this whole day.
No, wait, I thought it was PG. I thought it was PG.
You played yourself.
Yeah, you did.
I'll bleep it out.
Wow.
The ghetto! The ghetto!
Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto! The ghetto! Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys what we have in our picnic.
Oh my God.
We have some homemade lemonade,
Have it called that dog, please.
cheesecake, there's some salmon, and there's some baps in there.
If
And
you come to a house licking stuff.
oh no. No, it's fine. So what are you gonna say?
The real snacks are here.
Oh. But we realised that this food probably won't be enough for us because we haven't eaten today. Apparently the Nando's around here is open, so we might get some stuff. But yeah.
You can't even search my location. Why? Because it's not real. We're not in a real place.
Nami ate all the food.
You're right. Look at this bun. Stop. Switch that off first.
No.
Player, that's all they call me. Player, that's all they call me. Player, that's all they call me. Player.
She's gonna be happy.
Is that open? Oh my god.
In the middle.
Since it's not open, fuck it, let's have it all.
Yeah, because Harriet is our friend. Remember you drink with Harriet. She does it down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boo, you
whack.
lose.
What do
Still
you
got
mean?
Still got some
Cheater.
spit juice at the bottom. Spit juice.
But never. I was out in the sun for like 10 seconds.
You have.
Now I look like puff puff.
You're almost the same colour as me.
It's the sun. I think it's my cream to be.
Got a tan.
Yeah, I did. Cheeky tan.
Guys, this is this is my first day back into society, and Harriet's making me go to a party.
It's a day party, but it's worth it, innit? She didn't come last year, so she might as well come this year.
I'm scared.
She didn't come last year.
This road is gonna get us.
You know what I mean?
She's what? She's hiding.
Andrea going to get me. We're going out. We're gonna have a good time. We're going to get some energy drinks, and then we're off.
don't drink
Well, Andrew doesn't drink, but I just want to taste what it's gonna be like. Do you know what I mean?
Like you're not number one alcoholic.
I'm gonna stop recording.
I don't
No, your
know.
brush. Do you want a brush?
Yeah, put it
Oh,
away.
okay.
Hi guys. So I had to change my dress because it ripped.
I should see an ice cream.
But Harriet's so annoying. But yeah, it ripped. So I'm wearing this dress from Pretty Little Thing. I'll show you guys in a minute. It wasn't because I was eating ice cream ripped before. So this is dress from Pretty Little Thing. Oh, Harriet. Wow. Naomi.
Thank you.
No.
Boy, bring that over here, boy.
Hi guys, so my name is Kevin, Dr. Dapper from Dove Dental. I'm a dentist and we're doing some interesting shooting today. Thankfully I've got Andrea down to come and help, come and be part of the cast, play a key role in something we've got funny coming up.
Guys, my cousins are really being dog. Leanne, come. Just say hi. Hi. They're all running away. You guys are so silly. Guys, this is Peter.
Oh, am I supposed to say something? Yeah, Real Talk blog, dab that up. Bevs with Ballers, dab that up. Gonna see me on the mukbang in a few episodes time, innit? So
Oh, what's happening?
What's going on?
I don't know.
She's zooming into my face. Yeah, Real Talk Vlog 18. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram. Devs with Ballers. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram.
Yeah.
PK Mensa. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hello guys, I have new hair. I'm blonde. So this is basically the hair pieces that were on my bed. So I got my hair done by Lois Sika Hair Bar. I'll leave her link on the screen. I won a competition, so she did my knotless braids for me, and I also got a goodie bag, guys. Look at the goodie bag that I got. This is the bag. I got a straightener with a heat protectant. There's this hair oil. This hair oil is really, really good. She used this on my hair and I really, really like this. It's a face mask, which I actually need because I have this horrible breakout on my forehead at the moment. And some shampoo. I use the shampoo. It's really good. And another shampoo. A lip gloss. NYX, if you know, NYX do the best lip glosses. They are affordable and they're really good quality. And I think one more thing. Oh, and it's the palette, Revolution. Oh, you should 100% follow her. Look at the braids. Oh, I've never done coloured hair before and I was so nervous. Oh, I got this. So I've been looking for a tinted moisturizer for the longest, and I got this from Colourpop, and this is my first day wearing it out. I really like it so far. I'm going to show you guys my cheek. It looks, you can see a little bit of my hyperpigmentation, but like it covers the majority of it, which I really like, and it's super lightweight, like lighter than my moisturizer, so great for the weather. I like it so far. I'll let you know in a couple days if this is my jam or not. Guys, look at my hair. Look at the colour blend. It looks so nice. Oh my god. Beyonce.
Beyonce. Hi. You look gorgeous. It's my birthday.
It was Harry's birthday.
And it was Harry's birthday on Monday. Happy birthday to me and Harriet. Happy birthday to me and Harriet. Happy birthday to us. Right trick! I know, they're so nice.
Hey, she patterned it.
She snapped.
Just like the picture.
Yeah. Hey, Lisa.
She snapped.
Lisa is on job.
bomb.
Hey, that's my next design still.
This is bomb.
No,
Now I
she
don't want
really is
sweaty.
good.